Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp Web from mobile to mobile. Now on your first device, click on WhatsApp and click on Agree and Continue. And after that, click on Allow and click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Link as Companion Device. After that, on your second device, click on WhatsApp and click the three dots at the top right corner and click on Settings. Now click this button and go overhead to scan code. Now you have to scan the QR code from the other device. After that, click on Continue and click on the Link a device and click on OK. And that's how you use WhatsApp Web from mobile to mobile. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.